This is a theory presentation for parents. General notes on the grammar boxes. We start this work early on in the elementary classroom. It can be introduced almost immediately after the children enter the elementary class. The children who have had the function of words work in primary are building on that experience. And by starting early, it is the only way we guarantee the children can reach this work by the age of 8, which is the goal. Even if the children are not able to read very well, they can begin the work with grammar boxes. And in fact, this can help the children learn how to read. It is part of the braid of literacy. At first, the children are just reading words, then phrases, then sentences, much like any other reading program. Getting to the grammar work very early on provides a foundation for the classification work that we do with the parts of speech later in elementary. Work with the grammar boxes should also be connected with any writing that the children are doing in the classroom. From time to time, when the children are writing something, we may ask them to skip a line so they can symbolize words with their own writing. This activity shows us which parts of speech the children have understood, how they have extracted, and also how they've extracted the information, and also if they need more work or where they need a little extra help. It is how the word is used rather than individual word itself that determines the part of speech. Grammar boxes are small group activities, and 2 to 3 children work on them at a time, which appeals to the characteristic of group work of the second plane child. Also, remember that the grammar work needs to be running parallel with all other language areas in the classroom. This should not be, let me repeat, this should not be the predominant or only work of language going on. These are the most visible material that we have in the Montessori environment. It is so easy to make it the biggest part of language work. We should be working on history and language, spoken language, written composition, and literature.